Alright, let's unbox this 2009 Audi A4 DTM Racer. I'm not gonna do, there's nothing special about it, really. It's a Revell kit. It's quality. It's 1/24 scale. It's pretty sweet looking box art. I mean, somebody went and signed their name to it, so I mean, it's got to be sweet. It caught my eye at a model show. Yeah, shocker. 8 years ago. And it's been in here ever since. I do remember ordering some stuff for it, but I don't remember exactly what. So, let's get into it. It's like Christmas. Oh, there's the body. Oh, in the bonnet. The body in the bonnet came directly out. Yeah, it's cool. Everybody knows what these are. Like, this is all cut out. The trunk doesn't open. I'll probably have to make that open. This, it's sweet as it is. I remember opening it because I did get into this thing. As soon as I bought it, I was like, yeah, I gotta check this thing out. So I did. It was awesome. Anyways, let's see what else we have in here. Chrome, I don't know. I think I ought to order a set of aftermarket wheels. These are cool. I'll probably use them for kit bash and something else, but because if I remember correctly, I don't think the tires are wide enough for my liking. The exhausts are cool. I'm using that exhaust. Like, they're already hollowed out and stuff. That's cool. Oh yeah, here's the tires. Yeah, they're skinny. I don't like them, really. Kit bash. Lots of... Oh, I must not have broke into this one. This is all sealed up. Oh. This. It's gotta go. That just screams. Oh, I think I was trying to break into this because I don't like the texture of all this. I don't know, maybe it's supposed to be lots of decent engine detail on that though. Yeah, I like that. Oh, look at the block. Let me get it. It's right here. The block's nice too. Daggum. Oh, I do remember breaking into this because I was concerned about the texture of certain parts. See these? Pay attention later on in the video because I know where I'm going with this. Oh, nice cockpit seat. Yeah, that's a nice seat. What's going on here? Yeah, I was concerned about the texture on this. I don't know if that's supposed to be like that or 90% of these parts on this sprue are that texture. All this roll cage material, these must be interior cockpit pieces. These here, this roll cage material, the inside here, it's all got this rough. I don't like that. Some air, whatever those are. Anyways. The instructions, who needs those? Except for when you're trying to store a nice decal sheet. This is nice. This is Revell. Oh, these are stupid, though. That doesn't even look like carbon fiber. Always have to keep these things. Nobody uses instructions to build model kits, so these can go right into the garbage. No, actually, I'm going to use them to hold my decals. Actually, we're going to do a real test right now. Because I just did a Tamiya kit the other day. Yeah, this... No, I'm not impressed. It's better than a lot of other Revell kit glass, but I just wanted to check for myself. Tamiya has the best glass on model kits. It's amazing. I got a clear body kit on one of my other videos that I'm messing around with. I think I want to paint it, but I don't know how. I think I just go about wet sanding it and everything else. Treat it just like regular old plastic, I think. Oh my god. Yeah, I bought... this is what I bought. The Detail Up kit. Yep, see, that's why that grill's got to go, because that goes in there. All this is sweet stuff. I remember all this. Carbon fiber. 124 scale. This one's 1/20th scale carbon fiber, and this one's 1/24 scale. Honestly, I can't tell the difference. But word on the street is, if you go to competitions and you enter your model in a contest, and it's got 1/20th scale carbon fiber on it, and you're supposed to be building it with 1/24 scale carbon fiber, they take your model building privileges away, and you're not allowed to build a model for the rest of your life. Oh snap, what's this? Bronze colored, also carbon fiber, 1/24 scale. Looks like we have some work to do.